Hi everyone, just want to show you around this KTM 1290R Superduke which we've just taken in. I'll show you all around it, but it's in very good condition. There are a couple of stone chips which I will show you towards the front of the bike just as we go around. But other than that, there's sort of everything as you would expect it. It's got an aftermarket cover on there. These do come with lovely Brembo brake calipers, which is really nice. A lovely orange and dark blue colour scheme here. Has also got heated grips, and your levers can be adjusted. It's got cruise control as well. Nice KTM Power Sports tank pad fitted. It's in really lovely condition. It's been well looked after. You've got these rear sets as well, KTM rear sets. Just as we go around, it's just a really nice bike. It's been well looked after. It doesn't come with the pillion foot pegs. As you will see in this video, is how it will come to you. It's got tail tidy fitted, which looks much better than the stock one. I think that's like with most of the manufacturers, although it does have a good purpose to it. It's not always the prettiest of things, sadly. Lovely clean chain and sprockets. There is a small mark just on this side here. Not really sure what that's from, but it's always worth noting. Adjustable suspension. Again, no marks or damage to the seat. Tank pads that have been added to the bike has definitely helped because stop it getting scratched. And you will see, I believe it's on this side, there it is, a small chip there, and there's a small chip up here. I haven't been able to notice anything else, which you will have seen from the photos in this video anyway. So always like to do a video just so those people who aren't as fortunate enough to live near us, they have everything they need before they even get here, or sometimes have it delivered. And really nice and clean underneath as well. Good tyres as well. Turn around. Hopefully this video covers everything that you need to know, but if there's anything more, just give us a call on 01256 841 110, or you can also find out more on our website. Thank you for watching.